State. It's been like this nearly 6 months. Vehicles coming from Lagos, from North, from Abuja. Spend 8 hours, 9 hours to get here. You spend another 4 hours. Mgbidi, State. Yep. Look at that. This is the major road that feeds Port Harcourt, River State, Delta, Abia, Akwa Ibom. This is it. And as I'm talking to you, it's about 8 o'clock. Some people have been here for 4 hours or a little more. You can see the road going towards Onitsha is totally blocked. This is it. This is it. Blocked. Federal Highway. And this one is heading towards Owerri. But are you doubling it as one? This is double way. Now, we're talking about bad economy. What's the hoopla? What's the noise? You know, bad economy. This will certainly help to make the economy good. When vehicles will come and spend nearly 5 hours, 6 hours to get to the next state or the next town. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Mass irresponsibility, irresponsiveness. People stay here, piss here, eat here, shit here, all kinds of nonsense. Federal Highway, one Nigeria, up Imo State. Nonsense.
La 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 la.